Adverbs of place. Tom's Magic English. Today, we are going to take a look at 20 most common adverbs of place in English. We will also provide example sentences. Let's start. Here. Come here and sit next to me. There. The store is over there, across the street. Somewhere. She left her keys somewhere in the house. Anywhere. He is willing to go anywhere for vacation. Nowhere. There was nowhere to park the car. Everywhere. The flowers bloomed everywhere in the park. Abroad. She studied abroad in Spain for a year. Home. She is staying home tonight. Away. He is away on a business trip. Back. They are back from their vacation. Out. They went out for dinner last night. In. She is waiting in the car. Up. He climbed up the tree to pick an apple. Down. She fell down the stairs and hurt her ankle. Around. They walked around the city and saw many sights. Ahead. She saw a traffic jam ahead and decided to take a different route. Behind. He noticed someone following him from behind. Nearby. They found a nice restaurant nearby their hotel. Far. The store is too far to walk. We need to take a taxi. Close. They live close to the beach, so they go there often.